The MEEZAA 90mm telescope kit provides exceptional image clarity with its 90mm aperture and 550mm focal length, making it perfect for stargazing enthusiasts of all levels. Equipped with 2 eyepieces and a 3 times Barlow lens, this telescope offers a wide range of magnification from 22 times to 165 times, allowing for detailed views of celestial bodies such as the Moon and planets. Designed for convenience, the telescope includes a carrying bag and height-adjustable tripod, ensuring easy transport and comfortable viewing from various positions. This telescope is incredibly user-friendly, requiring no tools for setup, and comes with a moon filter, phone adapter, and 90-degree zenith mirror for enhanced viewing experiences. The MEEZAA telescope is a versatile choice for both home and outdoor stargazing, making astronomy an accessible and enjoyable hobby for families and beginners alike. With its fully multi-coated optics, this telescope maximizes light transmission and reduces glare, ensuring a comfortable and eye-friendly viewing experience.